This property is located at 1505 Hawk Court, Garland, Texas. This charming single-story home is nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac in Garland, offering both privacy and convenience. With 1,267 square feet of living space and a generous 7,000 plus square foot lot, it's an ideal option for both first-time buyers and savvy investors. Now, what are key features? This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, spacious backyard with room to expand or entertain, attached garage for additional convenience, easy access to major highways, schools, and shopping. Why is it a smart buy? It could be a great first-time home for buyers ready to build equity, a strong rental income potential with area rents typically ranging from the mid-1500s to low 2000s depending on the finishes and tenant profile. Solid resale value trends in the low to mid 200,000s with room to grow based on upgrades and market timing. Turnkey condition with opportunity for value add improvements. Whether you're looking to start your home ownership journey or expand your investment portfolio, 1505 Hawk Court offers stability, scalability, and long-term potential. If you're looking to purchase your very first home, or you know someone that's interested in this area, please feel free to call Realty First Texas team at 817-785-9218. We would love to help you find your way home.